If you are struggling with dark knuckles and you are looking for real solutions, you are the right place, because in this very video I will tell you the reason why you're having dark knuckles and how to stop having dark knuckles. I would also be recommending affordable products that you can use to get rid of your dark knuckles and have a clear knuckles, just as my own knuckles. Okay, so this kind of video is kind of video that you're interested to watch. Sit back and enjoy. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi, Favy. In today's video we're going to be talking about dark knuckles. I have gotten a lot of comments in my comment section telling me to tell them how to get rid of dark knuckles. I have made a video in the past talking about dark knuckles, but I just rewatched that video and I noticed that it was not well detailed. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be giving you a detailed guide on how to get rid of your dark knuckles and have clear knuckles, just like me. As you can see, I don't have any knuckles. Okay, knuckles where? So without wasting your time, let's just dive into the video. So the very first thing I want you to understand is the reason why you are having dark knuckles. The very first reason why one can have dark knuckles is due to genetics. Okay, some people naturally they have dark knuckles, like naturally they were born with dark knuckles and there is nothing they have to do about it. It was not caused by anything, it was just caused by their genes. That is genetics. The second thing that can cause dark knuckles is dryness and friction. If you notice, my hands are always moisturized. Also, my lips are always moisturized. There are some parts of our body that we should not leave to be dry, okay, which includes our knuckles. I've always noticed that when people are feeding their body with good products, they don't remember to feed their knuckles with good products, okay? So dryness and friction, because if you notice, these knuckles are joints and they move a whole lot, okay? So if you are moving it, you are going to be causing more friction on your hand, and especially when you are not even moisturizing it, when you are not feeding it with the right products. When friction occurs, the little product that you even manage to put on it will go away and you will see that that place will be dry and then start getting dark. The third reason why you can have dark knuckles is due to medical conditions, like if you have diabetes, vitamin C deficiency, hormonal imbalance, you are also prone to have dark knuckles. Okay, so visit the hospital and tell your doctor and get treated the right way, so that way your dark knuckles will fade away. Once you treat the main disease itself, okay, the main illness, the dark knuckles will start fading away. The fourth reason why you can have dark knuckles is using bleaching products. If you are using bleaching products, if you are using lightening products that will lighten your body, that will bleach your skin, you are prone to have dark knuckles, okay? You are prone to have dark knuckles. But I want to also state that anybody you see having dark knuckles is not as a result of bleaching cream. You see the remaining three reasons that I gave that can make you to have dark knuckles. They can also make someone to have dark knuckles. So let us erase that feeling that whenever you see one with dark knuckles, you will be like, this person is bleaching, okay? Not everyone that has dark knuckles bleaches. So the second thing I want to let you know in this video is that if you're using lightening products, if you're using bleaching products, please stop it this year 2025. On this channel I have reviewed a good number of products that can help to brighten your skin and give you a good skin tone. Whether you are dark, you are caramel, you are fair in complexion, I have made good videos that you can watch and see the products that you can use and you will not have to bleach. Bleaching would make you to have dark knuckles, and let me tell you, once you stop using that bleaching product, you will see that your knuckles will start lightening by itself, like naturally. It will start brightening up, okay, even without any treatment, okay? Bleaching agent contains steroids, hydroquinone, mercury that can damage your skin and can even lead to skin cancer, okay? So stop using bleaching products. If you're using bleaching products and you're having dark knuckles, do not come to my comment section to ask me what you would use. Discard that lotion, discard that soap. Okay, get yourself a good brightening body wash, a good brightening body lotion, and use it together, and stop using that product that you are using that is causing you to have dark knuckles. Now, let us talk about the treatment, which is the last part of this video, okay? I know this is the part that you have been waiting for. So the number one thing I want you to know when you are treating dark knuckles is that you're going to wear a garment of patience. It will not go in 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, okay? It will take up to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even a month and 6 months. For some people, 6 months before you start seeing effective results. Anybody that will come up here and tell you that if you do this, you will get rid of dark knuckles in one day is lying to you. And I don't want you to buy that cheap lie, okay? So the first product I'm going to be recommending for you is tretinoin, the one that contains 0.2%. I don't have it here because I don't have dark knuckles. I don't have anything that I have to treat with tretinoin. That is the reason why I don't have it here in this video. But you can see the picture clearly. The one that contains 0.2% is good for you. Tretinoin is a powerful treatment for hyperpigmentation and skin renewal. It would help to target your dark knuckles and get rid of it. Tretinoin exfoliates the skin, that is getting rid of dead skin cell. It boosts collagen production, that is giving you new skin and a skin that is flawless. It also inhibits melanin production. That is the reason why your knuckles are darkening. It will inhibit it, okay? That is overpowering it, and then make your skin to be same skin tone. I don't know if you're understanding my point. How to use tretinoin? You're only supposed to use tretinoin at night. Do not use tretinoin during the day. And also you use tretinoin just 3 times in a week. Do not overdo it. You can do it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday nights, and you are good to go. The only thing you have to do is to target your knuckles and make sure that you apply the cream on your knuckles and then massage it in for 5 minutes. Take your time because you are treating knuckles, okay? You have to take your time and be patient. Apply the product here and then massage it in circular motions. When you are done, you focus here, okay? Just take your time and apply the product. And once the product is already absorbed onto your skin or into your knuckles, then you are done treating for that night. The next product I'm going to recommend for you is a moisturizer or a hand cream. And for hand creams, I will recommend this one from Dear Body. This is the one I personally use. You cannot see me outside without my hand cream because this keeps my hand fresh, hydrated, moisturized, and makes me not to have dark knuckles. Remember I said that causes of dark knuckles can be dryness. When your hand is dry, you are definitely prone to having dark knuckles. For moisturizers, I will recommend the Nivea Soft moisturizer, okay? That moisturizer is very portable. You can even throw it into your handbags, and also this hand cream is also portable. You can also throw it into your handbag. I'm almost done with this already to show you that this is good. I think this is like the 5th container that I'm using from Dear Body. This moisturizer is so good. And when you're done with your tretinoin at night and you have waited for like 5 minutes for it to properly absorb onto your body, the next thing you do is to lock in moisture, and you lock in moisture using a moisturizer, either the one from Nivea or the one from Dear Body. You apply this on your hand and apply it on your hands. Also focus on your dark knuckles, okay? Focus on your knuckles so that it will lock in the proper hydration and moisture that is needed, okay? If you are treating dark knuckles, it is expected that you use this or the one from Nivea throughout the day. Use it in the morning, use it at night, use it in the afternoon. Even when I'm outside and I just feel like I have to reapply, you go ahead and reapply on your hand, okay? That way you're preventing your hand from being dry so that you will not have dry hands and then make the knuckles not to go away, okay? So the third product I'm going to recommend for you that can get rid of your dark knuckles would be getting a Vaseline. And for Vaselines, I will recommend Blue Seal Vaseline. This one right here, this is the one that I personally use. You see that all these things I'm showing you, I use them myself. It's not like I'm telling you to go and get it that I have not tried it. I do not use tretinoin because I don't have a dark knuckle, but I use all these moisturizing products on my hands because I do not want to have a dark knuckle. So even if you don't have a dark knuckle, you can get the Nivea Soft or you can get the Dear Body hand cream, and then you can also get the Vaseline. What this Vaseline will do for you is to seal the moisture that would come from the tretinoin and also the Vaseline. So at night, once you are done with your tretinoin, the night you are going to treat, to be precise, you're going to go ahead and apply your moisturizer or your hand cream, and then you're going to seal it in using this Vaseline, okay? This is Blue Seal Vaseline. You can get it in the market, so affordable. And if it's in the morning, okay, and you're not treating in the morning, remember you don't treat in the morning. Once you're done with your moisturizer or your hand cream, you'll seal the moisture. You seal it, okay? Vaseline will help you to seal the moisture that will come from your hand cream or that will come from your moisturizer. That way, the ingredients will be locked into your knuckles, and when you move your knuckles, friction will not occur so that there will not be dryness on your knuckles. That is the importance of this Vaseline. It would help to seal in, not lock in. Moisturizers help to lock in ingredients from the tretinoin and keep your hands soft, but Vaseline would help to seal in the ingredients that comes from your moisturizer and also the tretinoin. I don't know if you are understanding my point. The last thing that you need, okay, in your routine, if you are treating dark knuckles, would be getting a good sunscreen. Get a good sunscreen. You cannot be treating dark knuckles and you're not using sunscreen. Like, it's a red flag. For sunscreens, I will recommend Hatamogi. The picture is on the screen, or Bio UV, my go-to, okay? This is my go-to brand whenever it comes to sunscreen. If you are using tretinoin, please always protect your skin from the harmful UV rays so that the hyperpigmentation and the melanin will not keep increasing on those areas. This thing will help to keep your skin safe from sun, okay? So how do you apply it? Once you are done applying your moisturizer and your Vaseline, okay, from Blue Seal, the next thing to do is to go in with your Bio UV sunscreen or your Hatamogi. You go ahead and apply it on your hand and make sure you concentrate on your knuckles, locking all the moisture that will come from this sunscreen. This sunscreen is as well moisturizing, and also it contains 50 SPF that will protect you from the harmful UV rays, okay? You see the reason why you need a sunscreen. Sunscreens will help you to stay protected so that your dark knuckles will fade away. And remember to reapply your sunscreens once every 2 to 3 hours, and also remember to focus on your knuckles because that is what you actually want to treat. If you follow these steps that I just said in this video and you follow the tips and just do as I've said in this video, okay, you would see that in few weeks time your knuckles will be brighter and gradually it will be fading away. Remember that is a gradual process and you have to really be patient while doing this. So if you have watched the particular point of the video and you yet subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It helps me to know that you are loving the content that I am putting up here, okay? And if you already are a subscriber already, thank you for subscribing and thank you for joining the family. And also do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Like this video, share to someone that you know is struggling with dark knuckles. Help that person by sharing this video to that person, okay? Save that person from any form of embarrassment. And until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.